May I now invite you all to rise and join me in drinking a toast, first to the good health, happiness, and well-being of His Excellency President Frank Walter Steinmeier. Second, to the enduring friendship and ever-deepening partnership between the peoples of the Republic of Ghana and the Federal Republic of Germany. And third, to the resounding success of this state visit and the continued flourishing of our bilateral relations. Long live the Republic of Ghana, long live the Federal Republic of Germany, long live Ghana-Germany relations. Cheers. I thank you for your kind attention. Cheers.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. We will now take the national anthem of the Federal Republic of Germany.